Hey, it's Walter at ibwsales.biz. I just added another Texas Legal Out the Front knife to the website, and it's the silver triggered Taiwan Lightning. It's got about a 3.5 inch blade. It's 8 inches overall, and it weighs, I think, 3.8 ounces. I've been searching for a source of these knives for a while. I really believe in them. I actually carry one myself, and as you can see, it's been with me for quite a while. Now, unlike the Chinese version, I have never found a lemon in these knives. Every knife has performed well right out of the box. I've repaired several of the Chinese version, and I think the reason for the Taiwan's reliability is that they have a better fit and finish. The Chinas seem to have been assembled without any fitting of the parts. These are very reliable, and for my money, they're the best out the front knife for the price. Thanks for watching.